Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your character that you have selected within the Destiny 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Destiny 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, when you tap on the enter key to end up within the main menu, you will see your current username or your game account. If you click on this will log you in, whereas if you right click, you will enter within the modify menu, which will allow you to change the details of your character. Now, if you click on body, you will be able to choose from the different body types. You can simply click on the alternating body type to change from various different body kinds. Now, underneath within the face menu, you will see various different facial structures and features that you can use for your character. You also can choose the skin color from the varied range of color tones, and you may also choose your lip color. There is also the option to choose the color of your eye. And underneath, you have various different hairstyles that you can choose from, and you can also choose the color. Finally, you have the option to add any markings to your character and the color of this marking as well. After making all of your desired modification, click on the finish button, and now this will modify the appearance of your current character based on the properties that you just selected. And now you can proceed with logging in and enjoying your game with your new chosen character. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the appearance of your character on the Destiny 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.